Alright folks, we're going to make a video about how to clean your air conditioner during this Texas heat. It's 108 outside, hotter than shit. Air doesn't even feel like it's working. Look at the coil, how dirty that son of a bitch is. I don't know if it's African dust, what the hell it is. That son of a bitch is dirty as hell. This is how you do it. Look at that shit. Amazing. Look at that shit. Are you amazed? Hopefully this son of a bitch blows some fucking frost. Look how dirty that coil is. Oh yeah, we're gonna be sleeping good tonight. Yep, just spray that son of a bitch out, let some water get through there, let it breathe, and you're good to go. That's all you gotta do. If you like my video, hit like. Thank you.